welcome to Cross Hills again. So this is our tree health band, which we've developed for thrips, the silveriness on your leaf on your rhodos. So rhodos, viburnums, Portuguese laurels all get it bad. Any sucking insects on any trees it works on as well. So this is how it works. That's what it comes like, a metre long length in a pack. It's a felt band that we've made up with a plastic protector. So all you do is wrap it around the tree, measure it for length, overlap a little bit, cut it off, mix up the chemical. So the chemicals to use are either neem oil or our super thrips killer. It's got to be systemic chemical for it to work. Then you pour the mix on the band, wrap it back around, drawing pin on just like this. It gets absorbed in through the tree, in through the bark, in through the tree, gets every branch, every leaf, and you leave that on there for a month, take it off and you can reload it, put it on another one. So it just saves you spraying and gets rid of the thrips. So the time to use the tree health band is when the flowers are finished flowering, and once a new growth starts coming out of the rhodos or any tree, once a new growth starts, that's the time the sap is flowing, and that's time to use it. To order, go on our website, crosshills.co.nz, and it's under tree health band, and that's where to go.